Today, we look at the people from Sao Tome and Principe, known as Sao Tomeans. Here's the breakdown of this episode. 1. The flag. 2. The author of the national anthem. 3. The national anthem. 4. Immigrants from Angola, Cape Verde, Guinea-Bissau, and Mozambique. 5. Community of Portuguese language countries. Let us start with the flag. The 2 stars on the flag represent the 2 main islands, Sao Tome and Principe. Yellow represents the tropical sun. The red triangle at the hoist represents equality and the independence struggle. Green represents the plant life. The next section is on the author of the country's national anthem. Her name was Alda Graça. Before we delve into the lyrics of the national anthem that she wrote, I would like to pay homage to her for her great acts. She was born and raised in Sao Tome and Principe. She moved to Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, for tertiary education. At this time, her home country was a Portuguese colony. While in Lisbon, she joined a pro-independence association of students from other Portuguese colonies in Africa, which were Angola, Cape Verde, Guinea-Bissau, and Mozambique. This inspired her to fight for her country's independence once she returned home. This led to her detainment by the Portuguese authorities. Upon her country's independence, one of her many poems was chosen as the national anthem. She also served as a cabinet minister in several governments. Upon her death in 2010, the government declared 5 days of national mourning. Now, let us examine the country's national anthem called Total Independence. As the name suggests, there is an insistence of uncoupling Sao Tome and Principe from its colonial power throughout the song. So much so that the 4th line of the chorus states, and I quote, "to the sovereign country of Sao Tome and Principe." The insistence on sovereignty continues in the first verse's 13th line, and I quote, "total independence, total and complete." The 3rd line of the 2nd verse reiterates its shared struggle with the rest of Africa, and I quote, "in the crusade of the African peoples." Remember, the author was inspired by other African students while in Lisbon to start her own fight for her country's independence. Next, we will look at the large number of immigrants who reside in Sao Tome and Principe. They are mainly from former Portuguese colonies in Africa, which are Angola, Cape Verde, Guinea-Bissau, and Mozambique. Sao Tomeans also move to these countries as well. For example, Alda Graça, who we covered earlier, died in Luanda, Angola. Finally, let us look at the community of Portuguese language countries. It comprises of Portugal and its 8 former colonies, which are Angola, Brazil, Cape Verde, Equatorial Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Mozambique, Sao Tome and Principe, Timor-Leste. There is an interesting similarity between Equatorial Guinea and Timor-Leste. They were both colonized by Portugal, then colonized by Spain and Indonesia respectively. The rest of the colonies were only colonized by Portugal. Thank you for watching and take care.